Ever wondered how day traders make a fortune? This is how. They keep their risk the same on every trade and they find high probability setups. What most traders do, including myself, is we risk 1 to 2% of our account balance on every trade. Only 1 or 2%. Don't get greedy. Now that you know how much you're risking, find high probability setups with a good risk to reward ratio. My trading plan says a minimum 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which I never take. Why? Because I'm always finding better setups like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 that I'm like, why not take those trades? So now let me show you how this works. As you know, this is a trade. I'm shorting the market. I'm thinking price is going to go down, which it did. Here's that risk to reward ratio that I was telling you about. We'll get into that soon. And just a reminder, in case you forgot, this is your stop loss and this is your take profit in a short position. All right, now listen up. If I got into this trade and price was to hit my stop loss, I lose 1%, which is no big deal, right? If I won this trade, I would win 3%, meaning I just made 3% of my money. You can do a lot of damage with 3%. Don't sleep on that 3%, bruh. I didn't get into this trade, by the way. This is just an example. So let's just do some quick math, okay? Imagine you're trading on a $10,000 account. What's 1% of 10,000? 100 bucks. If price was to hit your stop loss in this trade right here, you lose $100. If price goes in the direction you thought it would, you make 300. You can cash out at any point, right? This right here is kind of just like the end of the race. Bro, what if I don't have $10,000? Get a funded account. I went over this in another video, but you can get access to funding like this for an affordable price. For most of these, you have to pass a 2-step evaluation test. Once you pass a test, you get funding for whatever option you selected. They have a 10,000. As you can see, to get access to that 10K, you have to pass a test, and that test costs 130. If you pass, you get your money back. If I was you, I would start with a 10K account, see that you can pass the challenge first, and once you do, get on to the big boys. Imagine making 3% in one trade on 100K. That's 3K. 200K. 6K in one trade. 300K, bro. You're making 9K in one trade in one day. Sum it all up, make sure you're risking 1 to 2% per trade, and also make sure you're finding high probability setups that are likely going to play out. With the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, 1 to 4, you can do a lot of damage and make a lot of money. You're welcome.